Hey Amanda, how are you? My name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. I spoke with Beverly today. She was so awesome on the phone, very sweet and respectful. She is a good face of the company. The reason for the call today was I wanted to shoot over a quick video showing you some tips and tricks that you can do in-house to bring in more business using your website and your Google business profile. I'd love to hear some feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you. So as you see, I have your awesome website pulled up right here. I love your logo, Loudon County Fence. And the website's not too bad. It's pretty clean, laid out pretty good. Got all your serving areas down here. You got your click to call up here. You got the request to quote. So good job there. Only thing I would suggest would maybe have a chat feature down here or email feature, because sometimes people don't like to talk on the phone. So that's one way of being able to communicate back and forth with them. That way they can actually email, ask a question, you respond back, or have a chat feature down there. But one of my biggest suggestions would be to add more content. Google loves content. Content is king. There needs to be a minimal of 1,500 words on your home page. And throughout that content, you want to add buyer intent keywords. Another good thing to do is make sure you're saving photos and videos as keywords too, because they count as content. Fence company serving Knoxville and Maryville, Tennessee, Loudon County. See, this needs to be fence companies, Knoxville, Tennessee. Fence companies, Maryville, Tennessee. The service that you provide and the location. So a keyword is simply a service and a location. Like here is a service and a location. So the service, you got your fence company, Knoxville, Tennessee, and that gets 450 searches a month. So 450 people are searching this phrase each month. Now what I've done is I've actually put your website in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. So this is your UR and this is your DR right here. This is the strength and the trust that your site has with Google. This is on a scale of 100, and you want to keep these numbers balanced and moving up continuously. Now, right here, you've got 723 backlinks and 132 referring domains. So you've got 132 referring domains that's giving you 723 of these links. And a backlink is simply a website linking to another website via clickable button or text. Not all backlinks are created equal. Some are spammy, some are more authoritative. So you definitely want to attack the backlinks that's more authoritative and relevant to your industry and that's local to you. So right now you're being found for 102 keywords. It's driving about 50 people to your website each month. Now, again, a location and a service. Location, service, location, service, service, location. You've got some really good keywords in here. And you're not ranking too bad. You're ranking 16, 17, 16. You're actually up 11 spots on this one. So you was ranked 28. Now you're up to that number 17 spot. So it looks like you just need some more good keywords or some more backlinks that's powering these keywords. It's going ahead and push you to that front page on organics and the Google Maps. So you got some pretty good keywords here that you're indexing for. So not too bad. You're not actually ranking for any of them except for Loudon County Fence, which if someone's typing that in, they're already looking for your service. Now, the way I located your company was, again, I typed in a buyer intent keyword, fence company, Knoxville, Tennessee. And up here you see your local ads and your Google guaranteed ads normally. And here is your map pack. And this is where you're going to get 30 to 40% of your business. You're not in this map pack right now, and that's okay. There's several ways to get there. You want to make sure that you're constantly adding reviews. You are on the second page. So as you see, in order to find you, there's a lot that I have to do. And there's a lot of businesses that you have to go through in order to be able to find you. 85% of searchers don't even go to the second page, and that's on organics or the maps. So it's very important that you get to that first page and you can drive even more traffic than what you're driving now. So again, you want to make sure you're constantly adding reviews. Looks like you're doing a pretty decent job of that. You've got 82 reviews already with a 4.7 star review. You got to be at least a 3.8 star or higher in order to run Google Guaranteed, because Google's not going to back someone that doesn't have good reviews. And you do have that. Make sure that you have your business name, address, and phone number. Make sure they're the exact same all across the internet, because you don't want to mislead Google. There's a 750 character About Us section at the bottom. You want to make sure that this is completely filled out with all 750 characters, and make sure you're adding the buyer intent keywords in here as well, because those are very important. Adding citations will help you a lot as well, and that is putting your business name, address, and phone number in things like Yellow Pages, Yext, Yelp. Because at the end of the day, honestly, Amanda, Google's just a big popularity contest, and the more directories you share your information with, the more it's going to give you a boost and boost your business. And that's not only for your area, but that also trickles out to the surrounding areas as well. And again, being on that Google Map Pack top 3 is going to get you 30 to 40% of that traffic that goes to your website and gives you a call right from there. Now, if we go down here to the up under the maps, it's going to be the organics. And Tim's Fencing is number 1 in the organics. And as you see, Tim's Fencing doesn't have a bad website. We'll see if they're saving their images correctly. They are not. So by make sure you're saving your photos correctly, and they definitely don't have the content. So by adding content, implementing having more content on your site than theirs, you can start to outrank them while adding those backlinks and such too. Now I wanted to show you this. This is all the keywords for the Knoxville area, and you do have a decent amount of these, but I wanted to show you there's also other keywords in here too as well if you want to add those to your website. Definitely decent amount of volume here. You just want to make sure you're getting the power to those backlinks that you want to be found for. That way you get pushed to the top of the searches. Again, once you start ranking, a percentage of this volume is going to go to your website. A percentage of that is going to give you a call. And then depending on your close rate, it's going to turn into a customer. So Amanda, I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you taking the time to watch it. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me, because I can be that resource for you if need be. Again, this is totally free. All I ask is that you please send me a little bit of feedback on it. If you end up not using my services, that's totally fine. Just please take these tricks and tips that I showed you and apply those to your website, and I promise you, you will see increase in ranks and you will increase your online presence. Thank you for your time. Beverly was awesome today. Amanda, I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.